Class 10 children, today again we will do the revision of chapter Ratio and Proportion, exercise 6b, question number 12. Today we will learn show that or prove that kind of questions. So here y equal to root over a plus 3b plus root over a minus 3b whole divided by root over a plus 3b minus root over a minus 3b. Then show that 3by square minus 2ay plus 3b equal to 0. So this is given here, children. We have to prove this. So we will start our solution from the given part. So in the solution, same given part we wrote, and then we applied componendo and dividendo. Here below y, the base is 1, denominator is 1, so we write numerator at the top, numerator at the base, and denominator at the top, denominator at the base, and plus minus. This is the rule of componendo and dividendo. Same thing here, root over a plus 3b plus root over a minus 3b. Same thing we write at the top and at the base, and then we apply plus minus, and this denominator root over a plus 3b minus root over a minus 3b we write at the top and at the base. Only thing is that this minus gets multiplied with this minus, and at the base what minus we have at the top we get plus at the base. This is the change in the denominator, only add this part. Now same thing we write here. Here same variable in plus minus got cancelled, same variable in plus minus got cancelled. Now these two variables are same, these two variables are same. So when it is mango and it is mango, mango plus mango is 2 mango, but here it is not mango but it is root over a plus 3b root over a plus 3b. So we can write 2 root over a plus 3b, and here we write 2 root over a minus 3b because a minus 3b. And now we have to remove root over. To remove root over we have to do squaring both sides, and when we do squaring both sides we get square at this part also and at this part also. And then here it is a formula of a plus b whole square, where a is y, b is 1, and here a minus b whole square, a is y and b is 1. So same thing, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a means y square, where b square means 1 square. So that way, and here root over and square, automatically root over and square vanishes, only internal number remains, a plus 3b by a minus 3b. Now here some simplification is there, y square plus 2 into y into 1, 2y, 1 square 1. Same thing here also we simplify and we write the same thing here. Now we will apply componendo and dividendo again. So same thing we will do in the next page. Now you can see here y square plus 2y plus 1 is our numerator. Same numerator we write at the top, at the base, then we put plus minus, and denominator y square minus 2y plus 1 we write at the top, at the base. But only thing is that this minus becomes plus here and this plus becomes minus here because of this minus. Same thing here, a plus 3b plus minus a minus 3b, but here a minus 3b becomes a plus 3b, that means this minus becomes plus. So second time we have done componendo and dividendo. Now same variables get cancelled because they are in plus and minus. So here y square minus y square plus 1 minus 1 plus 2y minus 2y. After that y square 2y square, 1 plus 1 plus 2, 2y plus 2y 4y, and here a plus a 2a, 3b plus 3b 6b, rest all got cancelled. Now here 2 and 3 gets cancelled, 2 3 is 6. So here we have a by 3b, and here 2 will be common, and here 2 and 4 will cancel, 2 2 is 4. Without taking 2 common we cannot cancel, we should take 2 common and then cancel. Then finally we have y square plus 1 by 2y equal to a by 3b. It's time to cross multiply. 3b into y square, 3b y square, 3b into 1 3b, 2y into a 2ay. Now 2ay will come here at the middle, and this plus will become minus, and then we have 3by square minus 2ay plus 3b equal to 0 proved, because we have to prove this only according to question. Now same type of question here, one more I have solved. It is very similar to the question which I have already discussed just now. So same thing, and finally we prove here. So these two questions are homework, very similar to my video. Please try to do these questions as homework. Thank you, children.